Can't wait to try iPadOS 27 beta, but the update isn't showing up? Don't worry, it's actually pretty easy to get. In this video, I'll show you the correct way to get the beta update on your compatible iPad. First, make sure your iPad is compatible with iPadOS 27. Then open the App Store and search for the Apple Developer app. Once you find it, download the app. After installation, open the app, and if any prompts appear during setup, go ahead and allow them. Now, sign in with the same Apple account you're using on your iPad. If prompted, agree to the developer terms and conditions. Once you're signed in, go back to Settings. Tap General, then Software Update, and check if the Beta Updates option appears. If it doesn't show up, force close the Settings app and open it again. Then go back to General and Software Update. You should now see the Beta Updates option. Tap it and select iPadOS 27 Developer Beta. Go back to the Software Update screen and give it a few seconds to refresh. The iPadOS 27 Beta update should now appear. You can then download and install it just like any other software update. Once the installation is complete, you can start exploring all the new iPadOS 27 features and enjoy the updated experience on your iPad. And that's all there is to it. Thanks!